How to rebuild confidence after brain trauma. If you've survived a brain injury and feel like your confidence disappeared somewhere along the way, I want you to hear this first. You didn't lose confidence, you lost certainty. Confidence after brain trauma doesn't collapse because you're weak. It collapses because your brain no longer feels predictable. I'm Sandro. I've lived with brain trauma for over 30 years, and rebuilding confidence has been one of the hardest and most misunderstood parts of recovery. Before injury, confidence often came from performance, speed, or certainty. After brain trauma, those things can change overnight. When your brain feels unreliable, confidence naturally erodes. So rebuilding it requires a different approach. First, stop trying to be who you were before. Confidence doesn't come from pretending nothing changed. It comes from understanding how you work now. When you stop comparing yourself to your past self, you give your nervous system permission to stabilize. Second, rebuild trust through small wins. Confidence is built through evidence. So start with manageable commitments, short tasks, low pressure conversations, simple routines. Each completed action tells your brain, I can handle this. Third, protect your energy at all costs. Nothing destroys confidence faster than repeated crashes. When you overextend, your brain associates effort with failure. Energy protection isn't avoidance, it's strategy. Fourth, change your environment before changing yourself. Confidence grows in safe environments. Reduce noise, chaos, pressure, and people who question your limits. Healing environments create stable confidence. Fifth, redefine what confidence actually is. Confidence after brain trauma isn't loud or performative. It's quiet. It's knowing your limits, honoring them, and still showing up. That's strength. Confidence isn't rebuilt by forcing your old life back. It's rebuilt by learning how to function well, consistently in the life you have now. If this resonates, I've shared a full video going deeper into this on my channel. And if you're rebuilding confidence after brain trauma, you're not alone. Your comeback is possible, and I will see you on the next video.